There you go. You sure you want him in the background?
Yeah. Look how beautiful you look today. Oh my God. All right. Hey. Thank you for hanging out, spending a few moments here with me. If you can, definitely hit that subscribe button, the like button, drop a comment. It really does help the video, the channel, and everything like that. We're on the road to 100K, huge milestone. So really, guys, thank you very much. Now, the last time that we left off, the charger just got a twin turbo setup installed, and then I was doing some remote tuning. Now, the problem that I'm having right now is that I cannot get this thing into boost because the current fueling system is just maxed out. Okay, I have a single performance pump that's rated at around 800 horsepower. That's going to need to get replaced sooner rather than later. And then I have 392 injectors, and those really are just tapped out. It's just not enough for the forced air. So really, the game plan was for me to just save up, get a, save up for maybe 1440 injectors, or maybe even higher, a dual pump with a return, new lines, everything. And really, that was the game plan. But while on vacation, I received a phone call from Steph from Mod to Fame, and he pretty much called me up and was like, yo, I want to help you any which way that I possibly can. List out a bunch of parts that I could potentially use. And the tuner said, hey, you can drop these Hellcat injectors in there. So I told Steph, hey, I can use these injectors, and they're a direct replacement for the 392 injectors. A whole bunch of 392 guys actually upgrade to Hellcat injectors once they cam, or they do some kind of a stroker kit. These are rated at 600 cc's, which is pretty much enough for me to run what's currently being produced here with a 7-pound spring. So really, I'm going to have a 397 with 7 pounds of boost, 600 cc injectors, and a performance single pump at the moment. So I think if I keep it at that level, I should be able to rip around, have a little bit of fun, and continuously save up for something that will allow me to crank up the boost. So with that being said, guys, I am going to I'm going to get these installed. A huge thanks goes out to Mod to Fame for giving me a call and really just doing me a favor by doing this. So really, thank you to him. And yeah, I'm gonna get them installed and we'll get some feedback. All right, guys, so I got to do a little bit of a data log here. We just got the Hellcat injectors in, no problems, loaded up the tune. I do have a check engine light, and it's because I'm getting the fueling is too rich right now. So I'm just started recording. Oh, I heard that blow-off valve going. So that's pretty much it, guys. I am going to wrap it up, and I'm going to get these data logs to the tuner. I'm not really interested in blowing up the car. I want to make sure that it's running good. I didn't really push it at all, but in future videos we will get some you know, harder accelerations on the highway, and this way you guys can really hear these turbos screaming. I'm excited that you know, I actually got the injectors in. I have the single pump back there, so it should be good for at least 700 horsepower. So, you know, that's always a big deal. Again, a huge thanks to Mod to Fame. Awesome guy. Really, you know, kind of surprised me with, you know, the phone call on vacation, and I'm very glad that he did so. Great guy, and you know, just a true car guy, that's all. So with that being said, guys, I will likely end up loading up another video later on this week with a revised tune, and hopefully get some harder acceleration